Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about these two AI website builder, which is CodeDesign AI and Appy AI. So I'm just gonna dive into it, try to review the pros, the cons about these two app builder websites. Maybe decide which of these two websites can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about CodeDesign AI, it is perfect for beginner who want to create a website in a minute. It uses prompt to generate layout automatically, which also make it super fast and simple to use. However, customization is limited and it is not ideal for complex sites that need advanced features. So talking about Appy on the other hand, it offers more flexibility with drag and drop tools, e-commerce support, and multilingual options. The downside is that its dated template and restricted free plan can make it annoying. So in my own opinion, CodeDesign wins for speed and simplicity, while Appy suits users who want more control and customization. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.